The floor in this VW Beetle we just bought is completely rusted out. Now that can be repaired. However, the tunnel is equally as rusted out and it's far worse underneath. It looks like this thing was sitting on the ground for many, many years. So the chassis underneath this thing is complete junk. The heater channels, these pieces right here, are equally as rusted out. They'll have to be cut out and replaced. But from like here on up, the car's in pretty decent shape. So we're gonna save it. A week or so ago, I found this on Marketplace and went and looked at it, ended up bringing it home. It's in really pretty darn good shape. The best thing is that I got a killer deal on it. So the plan is to get rid of the chassis that's under the car right now, take the body, plop it on this one. When I picked it up, I knew that there was some rust on it. After getting rid of all the sound deadener and scraping off some old paint, I discovered that it was a little worse than what I thought it was. Isn't that usually the case? But it's totally savable and we'll get this back to almost brand new. Now this is not going to be one of those over-the-top, money is no object kind of builds. In fact, Mary and I will be doing all the work ourselves and publishing videos along the way. This, however, is going to take a skilled welder, which I am not, and somebody with a lot of experience in this type of repair. So it's off to Seward Speed Shop we go. Hopefully they'll get the parts in for it right away and be able to get on it. Then when we get it back, Mary and I will go through it, every nut and bolt. We'll replace the suspension, we'll put an all new brake system on it, probably discs in the front. Drums in the rear still probably, but we'll get those working great. Master cylinder, all new lines, and the steering with videos showing all that. Now we have big future plans for the channel, Fun with V-Dubs. In the coming weeks, we'll be letting out a few hints on what those plans are, so stay tuned. Now if you like this video, please hit that like button, and we hope you consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.